In this video, I want to talk about how you can make a bank transfer on Wise. Now this is really easy, guys. You need to have a verified account, so just simply verify it. And after this, all you have to do is just head over to the send button. If you don't see this immediately, you might have to add a currency, but press on send. Once you're inside of here, what you want to do is just type what you want to send and what the recipient gets. You can choose the same if you want, like this is Danish crowns. So just type anything, and let's say I want to send 100. What you want to do then is come here and choose here, change, and you can choose bank transfer. Simply select this, add the person, and you're gonna need their bank information. And once you've done that, it should be sent. Now that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.